Cyber's like poker. You're pushing the chips all in every time you click. Okay, you're sitting in a poker game and the chips are down. The jig is up. The party's over. It's the end of the line. Time to put up or shut up, pee or get off the pot, sink or swim, walk the walk, put your money where your mouth is. With a resigned finality, you slow push bulldoze every chip you've got into the middle as you say,
All in.
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 The next moment will reveal if you win or lose, live or die. Win, and you get to keep on fighting. Lose, and you're a dead man walking. Your cyber life is a poker game. Every email you get is a poker hand you have to play. You can be cautious, avoiding the risk, or you can play the odds with each link. If you don't have layers and layers of security waiting for that rainy day, you're going all in with every click. At least with poker, you're only going to lose what you bet. But in this game, your all in includes literally everything: money, privacy, dignity, reputation, health, wealth, and that's just you directly. Then there's the shame and blame that comes when your friends get popped because of you, when your customers get screwed because of you, or when your employer gets shut down because of you. Think before you clink. Please give me a quick subscribe to make every day safer from cybercrime so you can get all my training and share the channel with somebody you like. Not somebody you hate. Screw those guys. I'm so sick of their crap. They just never know when to let it go, and all they do is talk, 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 talk.